Alright, good afternoon class, or good morning, depending on when you're watching this. So I've decided to make a video to help you guys understand the software. Instead of asking me every class, if you're still struggling, you'll just go to this instead. This will have all the information. So first of all, we're going to add a new project. Alright, now you should just see this play block. Now with Lego software, we don't have to do any programming like text-based. It's all graphical. It's all graphics. So all these little graphics will change something on the Lego robot. Alright, so we're going to use the steering wheel. Now this one's important to remember. We can use this one, but we're going to use this one. I prefer this one. And we're just going to drag and drop it here. So I should click into place. And then we can do things like change the power, change the speed, or make it go backwards, minus 100. Rotations also mean that the robot will go, how long it will go for. So one rotation wouldn't go for very long. So if we want it to go for a very long time, maybe we'd change it to 10 or something like that. Another thing we can look at is off. We can turn the motor off. We can turn it on, just keep going on for the whole time. Or we can even make it stay on for a number of seconds. So 6 seconds, 8 seconds, degrees, make it stay on for 180 degrees, or on for rotations. So it's quite a powerful software, so you can do quite a bit. So remember this. Alright, so the next one we're going to look at is the large motor. This one, large motor. The large motor essentially means that one motor is going to be turned on and it's going to turn essentially because the other motor is not turning on. So look on your Lego robot and you should see 4 ports, A, B, C and D. Make sure the ones you are wanting to use are actually plugged in. If it's not plugged in, then nothing will happen and you'll be like, sir, why is this not working? That's the reason why. You need to make sure the ports are the same on the program and on your Lego robots. Don't change the ports on your Lego robots, change it in your program. Alright, so rotations here are a little bit different. It's not going to go forward, it's going to turn. So one rotation would go 90 degrees, 2 rotations 180. Can you guess what 3 would do? 270, and 4 is 360. Okay, so we can play around with the speed as well, make it go really fast, go backwards, you know, all the works, and turn on, off, on for seconds, on for degrees, and so on. Alright, so the next one, the next basic block is the timer. Now you might think, what? This timer? This isn't going to do anything. But wait, it's exciting. For you can click on here and you can see that you can do heaps of different things. You can press brick buttons to do things, touch sensor, which we've been playing with, ultrasonic sensor as well, and so on. It's quite a powerful little block. So that's all we're going to look at with the Lego blocks, but we are going to look at learning how to think logically. So it's important with Lego robots and robots in general and programming to think logically, to break down tasks. If I say you need to make your robot move backwards and forwards, that's not going to be a hard task, but you need to break it down logically. So from now on, before you think of what the robot will do, open up a notepad and write down how you think the task should be broken down into. So I reckon for this task, you'll move forward and then move backwards. And so that's essentially what it will do. You'll need 2 blocks. Alright, I hope you have learnt something from this. If you get stuck again, watch this over and over and over. You can watch it a million times if you need to. Alright, thank you.